Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you our V-Day gel polish colors and share with you 5 cute nail art ideas you can recreate at home. This collection includes 12 shades for the best Valentine's Day nails. Some of the shades are Fearless, That's Amore, Butterfly Kisses, Pixie Dust, and Delicious. To start any manicure, you'll need to gently push back cuticles and buff the shine from the surface of the nail. Grab the gel polish base coat and apply a thin and even layer to all of the nails. Do not skip this step. Cure for 30 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. We will now be applying as base color Butterfly Kisses to the entire nail plate on the thumb and Mallows on the index finger. On the middle finger, sketch out a heart and color outside the lines. Use a dry, clean brush to correct any mistakes. Pixie dust will go onto the ring and pinky finger to create the color base for the designs. Cure for 30 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Add another layer of Butterfly Kisses polish to the entire nail plate and cure for 30 seconds. Place a small dollop of gel polish Fearless onto the palette or a piece of aluminum foil. Saturate a small nail art brush on the gel. Carefully write letters on the nail. You can place writing either horizontally or vertically depending on the size of your nail. Don't worry if you make any mistakes. You can simply wipe them away with the lint-free pad saturated with some alcohol. Gel polish won't dry until placed in the lamp. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a second layer of pixie dust onto the nail and cure. Using the same polish as for the love writing, paint atop of the heart near the free edge of the nail. Now you've got a cute French nail with a Valentine's Day twist. Cure for 30 seconds. Place different gel colors onto the palette for easy access. Grab a top coat and apply one even coat. Do not cure it yet. With a small nail art brush, pick up different colors and create blurry lines. Keep wiggling and smudging until you're happy with the design and cure. For the negative space heart, reapply another coat of Mallows to achieve a full opacity of the color and cure. This is totally optional, but you can add a shimmery frame to the heart as well. Last but not least, on the index finger, apply Mallows to the full nail and do not cure. Place 3 dots of different colored gel polish and use a brush or a toothpick to drag through them. Cure for 30 seconds. Seal and protect your designs with an even layer of Rossi gel top coat. This will leave the nails with a high glossy shine. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED lamp. Use a cuticle oil daily. Cuticle oil is essential for healthy nail growth and beautiful looking nails. Thanks for watching. What are your nail plans for Valentine's Day this year? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.